In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a white sticker border on Canva. What we have to do is to, of course, upload our image. So this is my image here. It's Kanroji. I'll just drag the picture on this page. We need to remove the background. So just click on that image and click background remover here. Now let's try to make this one a little bit bigger, just like that. Okay. And the next step is to click Edit, just right next to Background Remover, and look for Shadows. Okay, it's in the Effects part. Shadows. Click on Glow, this one. And for the size, you can just do it as you like it to. So it can be like big, like that big or that small shadow. Let's have the big one, this one. 74. Blur amount 0. And the color, it should be white. Okay, there you go. Intensity 100. Voila. That's about it. That's how you can make a white sticker border on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.